Yes, Mister. What's your name?
My name is Vaibhav Singh Chauhan.
Why?
Because my father called me Vaibhav Singh Chauhan.
Do you have
And
any nickname?
no, sir, I don't have any nickname.
Why? Nobody calls you by your nickname.
No,
Yeah,
sir,
nobody got you.
in my friend circle, two, three friends just call me just like Choda and Rabbit also.
Oh, rabbit also.
Yes.
Why do they call you rabbit? Do you look
Because
like?
because of my speed and because of my ears also.
Because of your ears are looking very different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I've seen these ears in PK.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you feeling on podium?
I am feeling very awesome.
You're feeling very awesome.
Very relaxed also.
Okay, relaxed also. So do you always feel awesome?
Yes, sir.
You always feel. What are your extracurricular activities?
My extracurriculum activities that I prepare food at the playtime and appreciate music also. And sometimes I made sketches of
Sketches of what?
sketches of cartoons and some designs.
Okay. You like clicking pictures?
Yeah, I like clicking pictures.
So what kind of pictures do you love to click?
I love to click portrait or a random pics
Random
because
pics.
yeah, because they brings the naturality of a picture.
Okay. How many pictures have you made so far?
I have made around 12 to 13 pictures only. I have
12.
clicked so many, but after all, if I click 50 pictures, then I choose only one out of them. So by this, I'm having only 12 to 13 pictures.
Okay. As you
Yesterday,
said that you love doing sketches also.
yes, sir.
Portrait.
Yes, sir.
Can you
A
make
pencil
my
sketch.
portrait?
No, sir, not yours. I just do a random
Why?
like
Is it typical?
not
Your
typical, but
face is round. You can make very easily.
I can make that after the finishing that picture, but you can't recognize that it's yours.
Uh, what? What's
I just
what's this picture all about then?
I just made the designs of
Okay.
cartoons and the random designs.
Okay. 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 Do you watch cartoons?
Yeah, I watch cartoons.
Which is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Doraemon and the Pogo that Chota Beam.
Okay. Have you ever watched Tom and Jerry?
Yes, sir, many times.
Many times. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like
And
it.
which is your favorite character in
My
it?
character, my favorite character is Cherry
Cherry. Why?
because he's very
Cherry.
he's very naughty and he has a number of ideas to tease Tom. And
Okay.
Tom is very much means tired about his life, so
Okay.
that's why I like Cherry.
Okay. Do you like the animation of it? But sometimes it becomes flat and
Yes, sir.
sometimes it becomes solo.
I like the animation too.
Okay. You like the animation too.
Most of the cartoons are known to towards their known to their animations only.
No, known to their on animations only, but some of the cartoons are there which are somewhat realistic also, such
Yes,
as
sir.
Chota Bheem.
Yes, sir. But cartoons also teaches us many things
Ha,
about.
ha, 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 ha. Very good. Okay, as there are so many motivational writers, do you also read out those
Yeah,
books?
I have read the Shiv Kheda, the You Can Win, and I have watched the many videos of Sadhguru and many
Okay,
videos of that, Rohit Sharma,
okay.
Sandeep Maheshwari. Also, I have read so many
Sandeep
videos.
Maheshwari also. Do you know who is the biggest and who is the first and the most wanted YouTuber in India? Do you know something about Kariminati?
Yes,
You know,
I know. Sir.
Have you ever seen his videos?
Yes, sir, but around 4 or 5 more times only.
Okay, as most of the people they say that if you want to motivate yourself, you keep on watching some motivational videos. Is it necessary to be motivated to watch any video?
No, sir. If you love to do a task and if you want a motivation to do that task, it seems that really you don't like that task. You don't
Uh,
want to do that task. If you means love to do any task, then you don't need to have any motivation towards to do that task. If you
okay,
need motivation, it seems that you need a pushing power to impose you that do this task and like that. Means someone is insisting on you to do that task. If you are
okay.
self-motivated person, if you like to do running, then you need not to do any motivation to run.
What do you say about self motivation? Is
Self,
it a kind of thing or not?
yes, sir. Why not? But
Are you self motivated
I
or
am
you need a
self-motivated
motivator?
person.
You are self motivated person.
Yes.
How do you
Whenever I
explain
feel
it?
sad and whenever I feel, then sometimes
You
it's
feel sad also.
sometimes
How? When?
I'm also a human being and I have
Yeah.
my feelings too. So I feel that means I just read some quotes on YouTube. I just
Okay.
watch the videos of Sadhguru, one or two
Okay.
videos, and some means different type of videos, a mixture of motivation.
Uh,
So and sometimes I watch cartoons also. I get the knowledge, and sometimes I watch the videos of that Hollywood actors, sorry, Bollywood and Hollywood actresses
Okay, as you said about Sadhguru Sahab, so Mr. Sadhguru is better than Sandeep Maheshwari, or what do you say about it? If I compare Sadhguru with Sandeep Maheshwari,
So I would like to prefer Sadhguru
Sadhguru.
because he gave the examples related to our life and as well
He's
as
so
with,
practical.
yeah,
He's
related
so
to life
practical.
and also he connect the things to the mythology also.
Okay, also he's also having all kind of age fan following.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep
Because
Maheshwari mostly having
the
the
youth,
teenagers
yeah,
and the youth.
youth.
Youth. Okay.
Sadhguru gives the example I said that in a realistic in life, and he also connect the things to the mythology also, and he
Mythology
gives
also.
the reason that
Uh,
why this thing should be there, and what you should do, and why you should do. But Sandeep Maheshwari gave only the things that you should do this, and you will get the benefit. But he doesn't give the modus operandi of that particular thing.
Okay, okay. What's your favorite time pass?
My favorite time pass sleeping.
Is sleeping.
Yes, sir.
But sleeping whole day is very bad, I think.
Yes, sir, but I can.
But you
Means
can.
appreciating music and sleeping.
Appreciating music and
Yes,
sleeping.
it's my favorite time.
Do you read books
Yeah, also read books, but
related to syllabus?
not only related to syllabus, also related to life, related to
Okay,
economy, related to businesses,
okay.
related to career also.
Have you ever gone through Chetan Bhagat
No, sir, but I have watched the
videos?
videos of it.
Have you ever read any biography or autobiography of something?
I have read the biography of that Sandeep Maheshwari
Okay,
and that Lieutenant General C.P. Monty, and now he is the Chief of Army Staff.
okay,
Uh, General, now he became the General, and
okay,
COS also.
okay.
And I have read the biography of Lieutenant Colonel Ashwani Nagpal. He is a GTO.
Hmm.
Biography of myself also.
Biography of yourself. Do you need to read it?
Yes, sir.
Don't you know that?
Because I know, but I need to revise that what the things I have done, what all the mean situations I have faced, what all things I had to make, but I didn't. So I'm learning by this also. And a person I really preferred means I really suggest to anyone that everyone to give approx 5 to 10 minutes in a day that what the mistakes you have done, what could be the best, it improves your life.
What kind of person you are?
I'm a chippy type of person, a happy-go-lucky person.
Hmm. Really?
Yes, sir.
Sounds strange.
Yes, sir.
No.
I am.
But somewhere you have written that you're so aggressive, you get angry very soon.
A little bit short-tempered also.
Why? Is it necessary to be short tempered?
Yes, sir. It is very necessary to be short-tempered because if you always you will be always happy with your friends, or you seems that you are happy always, so the people will take advantage of that.
People will take advantage of that, but if you are short tempered, then people will also run away from you.
No, sir.
Yes. It's a
Means
bad quality of a person.
I know it is a bad quality of person, but a person should also be the short-tempered by the time because if a person is doing a wrong thing and if you are not short-tempered, then you will not able to control that particular situation on that point of time.
Okay.
So at that point of time, you need to be short-tempered. It's
Okay.
a part of life. It's a personality. It's the attitude of a person that is a short-tempered.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In family also you're so
In family, I am very silent.
you're very
I am very silent.
you're very silent in family. Now you are silent, or earlier you were silent and you have been silent
I have been
since childhood.
I have been a silent since childhood.
Since childhood. As you have taken the name of Sadhguru sir, so tell me one thing, that have you ever visited his place where he
No, sir.
preaches?
No, sir.
You've never.
I have never visited.
Do you know the place?
I don't know the even place also.
I think that's Coimbatore, near Coimbatore. I think 100 or 120 kilometer far away from Coimbatore. Okay, because
But I will.
but you will, because one of my friend right now is serving in Air Force. He's posted in Coimbatore, so he has visited to his place by cycle. They just
I want to meet the Chatuguru Sahab
yes.
and I want to meet means now General CP Monty. I want to meet Ashwini Nagpal. Means I have meet also. I have
Okay,
met also, and I want to meet one of my friend Harpreet Singh. He is in Jammu.
okay. So right now he's serving army.
No, sir, he is a businessman.
He's a businessman.
And
How he
trying to
became
get
your friend? Okay, he has been your friend since childhood.
yeah, not since childhood. I went in Jammu for a year.
Okay.
Then he became my good friend. And he
Okay.
is in my good books.
Okay. He's
And
in the good
in my
books.
good books, I have only three friends, three, four friends.
Okay. So right now he's in business. What kind of business he's running?
He's a landlord.
He's a landlord of something. Hotel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Hotel, as well as he's having a good farming field. So,
In Jammu.
yeah.
Okay. So as Jammu, Kashmir, these two places are there. So which is more sensitive? I think Jammu is not sensitive area.
Kashmir.
Kashmir is more sensitive.
The
Even in
borders-
Kashmir also there are some places which are more sensitive.
Yes, means the borders areas are only sensitive areas.
Okay.
Otherwise, in the cities, and they are very silent.
Right now, most of the people they have told me that the more disputes are going on in Ladakh
Yes, because of China.
because of China, and in Kashmir because of Pakistan.
Not Pakistan. That the CPAC is going on.
Okay.
Because of this, the northern part is very much engaged.
Okay.
And we have to face both the fronts, as China as well as Pakistan also.
Okay.
Because of
Okay.
that, some issues are going on.
Okay. What do you say about Mr. Rawat? Right now he's no more. So was that pre-planned or it was really
We
an
can't
accident?
say anything pre-planned on an accident.
Actually, most
till
of the rumors
reports
are
come.
being
Rumors-
spreaded like a wildfire that he was, matlab, he was murdered and he was assassinated.
Rumors can be anything till the reports come. So
So,
investigation is going on, and
still-
investigation is going on, and in upcoming 1 or 2
Do
days,
you
the
know?
reports will come.
Do you know the truth of black box? Nobody knows that right now.
Black box means it is a technical device only. It gives the information of the pilot cabin as well as it is a type of chip which gives the information about the whole helicopter, what is going on,
What
the
is
weather
going on
conditions,
in the
and
helicopter?
and
That's
if
called
there is a
black box.
technical error, and what things and what the precautions can be taken by the pilots, and what they have taken. This kind of information only we
Actually,
get.
exactly the meaning of black box is that in which the conversation of pilot is recorded.
Conversation and whatever thing is
Whatever
done
thing is
going
happening
on.
in the
And it is named as a black box because earlier it was in the black color, and
Okay.
now it is in the orange color.
Okay.
And it can be found in the deep sea also. It can be found in the hilly areas, in the radius of 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. So these kind of things are there.
Okay. So how are you in general knowledge?
In general knowledge, I am not that much strong, but in current, I am good.
So is
Because
there any difference between general knowledge and current affairs?
there's a huge difference between general
Like-
knowledge and in general knowledge. We can say who was the first prime minister and what is the highest peak. This is called general knowledge, and
Yes.
current affairs means what's
What
going
is
in a society, what's going
around
in
the world.
around the world. That's called
Okay. So which is the talk of the time right now? Omicron and
There are many things that
the death of Mr. Rawat. Which is the talk of
parallelly
the
we
town.
can say that if you're going national, that Omicron is going on. If you talk about the defense, then Bipin Rawat is going on, and also the COVID with the next 8 years, and most probably 90% the general Manu Mukund Nirvane would be the next CDS. And
So
And
see,
if we talk about-
CDS is the person who commands all three armies, Air Force,
State
Navy,
commands.
and
Like not means he's an advisor.
He's an
It is
advisor,
an
yeah.
advisory post which link the forces defense to the minister.
okay,
Means he gathered the information from the Air Force, Navy, and Army, and he collaborate, and whatever things they need, they told to the CDS, and the CDS will tell to the defense minister. Before earlier, it was like that Air Force is giving their demands, Army is giving their demands, and Navy is giving their demands directly to the minister. Though sometimes the minister got confused that what should be done because in Army they need this and in Navy they need this. So means it's a post they can mutualize their ideas.
okay, okay. So where are you hailing now? You're hailing in Jaipur. No, here in Farrukhabad. You're living in Awas Vikas. It's your hometown.
It's my hometown.
So you were born in Awas Vikas.
I was born in Fatehgarh, MS.
I'm not asking you that where were you born. Well, you were born in Farrukhabad,
Yes,
you mean to say. MS Fatehgarh. Now your father is not working in army, he has taken the retirement. So he's looking after family. So do you have any village?
Yeah, I have been
Where?
in Farokhabad only, at the end of Farokhabad.
At the end of Farokhabad. Which part? Because
after
Farokhabad
after the
ends so many places.
in the eastern part, it's Kaimganj. After Kaimganj, there's a place Jijota.
Jijota. Okay. Jijota. Very good. So, do you like the cemetery of Farokhabad?
I like
I'm asking you because I'm not from Farokhabad, I'm from Meerut. But now you can call me Farokhabad because I've spent my 14 years here.
Farokhabad is a good place. I mean, we can't say good. I mean, it is developing, and Farokhabad now is having the each and everything. It's a compact city. Means you will find each and everything. If you are knowledgeable and you know where the thing could be find, then you will find each and everything in Farokhabad.
Okay.
But now, day and by, the Farokhabad is growing also. It's growing, developing. One day, the come, then the Farokhabad will be known by.
So
as
why it is not
Chennai.
developed? Why even most of the people have said to me so many times that Chibramo is more developed than Farokhabad, Kannauj is more developed than Farokhabad.
Because
So why Farokhabad is not developed more?
Farokhabad is it is developing because of
It
the
is developing only, but not
developing
developed.
only because of some political issues also.
Ah,
Because
political
of,
issues.
yeah, in Farokhabad you will find many criminals also.
Why are you looking at me?
Looking
not
at
a criminal.
Means it is known for the politics only.
Matlab,
Because
Farokhabad is known for politics only.
not only Farokhabad, but here the crime was also there. But now day and day the crime is also getting decreased because the rules are very strict and the government is very strict towards these. So it is developing, and the day is not so far the Farokhabad will be developed, and
Will it be like Bareilly?
it will be like Noida also
When?
one day.
One day. And when that day would come?
They would come
After-
after
after
five,
you-
five
say
to six,
after
five-
you, sir.
5 to 6 years.
It will come after you, sir. Your children will see this day. You won't see this
Surely
day.
it will be the nice place.
It would be the nice place. Actually, there are so many things which are famous in Farokhabad, and most of the people they love to visit over here at Ganga Ghat. And so many places are there where Ganga Ghat is already available. But even then, there are so many people from other states, other districts, they visit Farokhabad just to take a holy dip in Gangaji. And it is also famous for potato.
Potato, because in the Asia's biggest mandi of potato is
Satanpur.
Satanpur mandi.
Satanpur. And most of the people they buy namkeen also from Farokhabad.
Potato namkeen. Because the potato work is very much famous. Whenever I have posted in that Manipur also, I have posted in Jaipur. Every
Manipur.
Yeah,
Oh, Manipur is a good place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was in
Hilly area.
in OTA Chennai also. So whenever I said I am from Farokhabad, they all just directly said the potato. I like the
Oh,
potato.
potato. Have you carried potato for us?
Yeah, they directly said the potato is this much is famous. Potato is.
Manipur. Manipur.
Darjeeling, Sikkim.
Yes. The language is different over there.
Language
Which,
different.
which one? Sikmi language is there.
Urkhali, this side, Nepali also.
Ah. Okay.
Because my
They,
friends are
they
also-
look like chinky ponky.
They are very soft, means
Oh,
like
sorry.
a spongy type.
भाई ये काटना पड़ेगा. They will mind it. They like chinky ponky.
They are very soft, means if you touch them, they are like a
They're
small
like
kid.
cotton.
Yeah, very soft. They are like a kid, means the pulpy.
Have you touched all?
Not all. My friends.
Acha, matlab, what is the crime ratio over there?
They are very generous person. They don't think about that also. Because they are busy in their daily routines. They are busy with their families.
Okay, okay.
They don't
okay.
think about the crime.
They don't
And
think.
they don't even think about the society.
They just only care about themselves.
No, not only themselves. They just think about the community.
Okay.
They crop their food, they harvest, and they don't sell.
Huh?
They don't sell in market. They just only buy a alternative crop, fresh crops to sell in the market. Otherwise, they never grow their wheat. They never grow such pulses. They only grow the rice and some of the one or two only the listed pulses over there. They just
So
harvest
most
it.
of the most of the people are non-vegetarian over there.
Yes.
They are totally dependent on fish. I think fish or something
No,
else.
chicken also, they have meat also.
Matlab, mostly people they don't love to
Yeah,
eat chapati. They love to eat rice over
They
there.
never take chapati.
They never take chapati.
They never take chapati.
How many years you have served there?
1
You served there 1 year.
And one of my friends, most of the friends I've met in command, central command in Lucknow also,
Hmm.
from the Darjeeling, and
Okay.
from Sikkim there was a friend in OT Chennai also.
Hmm.
So they just only take only the rice
Hmm.
and chicken, rice, chicken, rice, chicken, only the rice and chicken.
Are you
Then
non-vegetarian or vegetarian?
I'm only vegetarian.
Only vegetarian. What kind of Tarian it is?
It is a combination of all.
Matlab you take all.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite non-veg to eat?
Non-veg fish.
You love fish?
Yeah, I love
Which
fish.
one? Rohu?
Rohu.
Okay.
And I love each and everything in
Have you ever
non-veg.
tried prawn? Prawns? Prawn fish. You've never tried.
I might have tried, but I don't know the name. I
Ikra?
have tried many times.
Ikra
Yeah,
and all?
yeah. I have
You've-
taken.
okay.
In OT Chennai.
Have you ever tasted rabbit?
No, sir.
ये भी काटना पड़ेगा। वन विभाग वाले आ जाएंगे। अरे भैया बड़ा ऑब्जेक्शन होता है। तो पता नहीं किसको क्या चीज बुरी लगे। ये भैया सर्वहारी हो तुम तो शाकाहारी की जगह मांसाहारी बन गए।
Non-vegetarian, I have taken crabs. I have taken the jellyfish also. I have taken
jellyfish. So
I have taken the fishes.
Okay.
And other fishes. I have taken chicken. I have taken the mutton.
okay,
And that's it.
mutton is. I'm non-vegetarian. That's why I'm saying so. No, 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 no. वो देखो ब्राह्मण कैसे देख रहे हैं मेरे को मटन खाते हो यू पापी बकरा काटा yes. Actually that totally depends on the taste. Earlier I was not non-vegetarian, but since I became a teacher,
I have tried also means to stop the non-vegetarian because
no, I can't. No one can.
I have tried.
Okay.
I have tried and I stopped for 2-3 days. But again,
What is this? 2-3 दिन रोक दिया ये क्या मतलब होता है मतलब इसने कोशिश करी नॉनवेज छोड़ने की बस 2-3 दिन छोड़ पाया ये क्या होता है ऐसे थोड़ी होता है मुझे लगा 2-3 महीने छोड़ पाया 2-3 दिन छोड़ पाया चौथे दिन खा लिया मैंने ऐसे नहीं होता है अच्छा as
because I have listened from the Sadhguru Sahib also and I have read in the books also that
नहीं मैं ऐसे लोगों को सुनता ही नहीं जो नॉनवेज को मना करते हैं
they don't say that don't take non-veg. They have said just take non-veg, but it reflects the negative energy also.
हाँ it gives you negative energy it gives you aggression
Yeah.
जो व्यक्ति नॉनवेज खाता है उसके अंदर गुस्सा बहुत होता है निरंतर ये मैं खाता नहीं
I never show my anger I'm very polite
In OTA,
who's there कौन सी you're going somewhere where हैं? What happened मुझे को बता दो ना for अच्छा 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 for deal हाँ जाओ 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 let the door be open उसको खुला रहने दीजिएगा okay do you drink
no, I don't.
by your face it's seeming that you are lying yes do you drink
I don't think.
you do
But I have, but I don't.
no you do just see your face on the camera look at the face do you drink
I don't drink.
you don't drink okay how many brands have you tasted so far
Around 13, 14.
he doesn't drink indirectly I have asked him he said that I don't drink but how many brands he has tasted I've tasted 13 to 14 brands and which is your favorite one
My favorite was at Black Peppers
okay
and Shivas is not.
Shivas
Shivas.
oh why
Because it's very costly and
oh my god
it gives the means, the personality.
oh
In the inner.
yes how much is it for
7,000.
7,000 only
From Canteen.
from canteen only
Only.
it is not so costly most of the people they love drinking the liquor of 60,000 80,000
But at present, be in a limits.
be in your limits otherwise I have to take loan from bank for even a bottle yes acha and what's your favorite dish to eat with
Non-veg, any non-veg.
any non-veg which one dry or
No, I try.
Dry.
means roasted,
Roasted.
kind of.
Ajay, what do you say about this session that I'm recording you in every step? So is it good for students or not?
Yeah, it is good. It will give them stage fear also. It will give them new vocabs, because in general conversation we don't have that much vocabs, but if we come on the and if we give the interview to anyone, so the new vocabs come out and the new type of questions come out. What are the type of questions can be asked in the interview? Some open mind a person can be.
How am I looking?
We
I'm looking
both
good.
we both are looking good.
I'm talking about myself. You just said. How am I looking?
It's good.
It's good.
Looking nice.
You are looking good. Say, it is good.
Yeah, looking good.
Don't say I'm looking beautiful. Yes?
You're looking macho.
है ऐसे गाली मत देते ना यस अच्छा तो चलिए बढ़िया बात हुई आपसे that I had a healthy conversation with you and how you felt that
I felt good. I always felt good.
I
I always feel good.
you always feel good
Good. Whenever I come
No.
in American, whenever I come on food.
I'm seeing a lot of changes in you
No, sir. Actually, means before I was not having any type of means any planning for the future. I was just going in the present. It's just enjoying whatever will be there. I will face that and I'll overcome that. But now I feel that some future planning should also be there. So I'm just planning for that only.
future or your family is planning for family planning
No, sir. I have directly said that before 5 to 6 years, I don't even think about the family.
okay
I know how to do works. I know and I do also. And because of this, I came on leave to do chores, to take
when
care
you
of.
are going
family.
back
The exact date I don't know. Maybe I can go tomorrow because on yeah, Jaipur is open, but I don't have time for that. Because in
Jaipur is
morning,
known as Pink City no?
yeah, Pink City. Because
why it is known
it is known because the pink marble, the work is over there. It's very, and you will find the pink marble in every shop, in every building. You will find the pink, means in the air of Jaipur, you will find the pink color.
most of the houses are also having pink color
Yeah,
on it.
yes, sir. Because the ancient pillars were there, na? They were made from, they were.
No, actually, Jaipur is also divided into two parts: Old Jaipur and New
Yeah,
Jaipur.
yes, sir.
And where, if you go to Old Jaipur, then you'll find most of the places are colored with pink. Eh?
Because of to maintain the unity, because the uniformity over there.
No, actually, I have-
seen there is a society
Uh-huh.
and around 100 shops or 50 shops over there, and they're equal size and they have painted by the pink.
And
That
what was
was the
that?
reason. But I've seen that they maintain the unity and the uniformity, and because the pink marble is found over there very in the good quantity, so they use that.
Chaliye, very good. It was nice talking to you.
Same.
Chaliye, bye
I
bye.
enjoyed a lot.
Bye bye.